Today, life in Gaza again proved lethal. The Hamas-run Health Ministry says Israeli strikes killed at least 80 Palestinians and wounded 400 others. CBS's Debora Patta reports tonight from Jerusalem.
Good evening, Jerica. There is renewed hope that the ceasefire in Iran could lead to one in Gaza. But even as President Trump indicated there could be a truce within the next week, Israeli forces launched a series of strikes overnight on Gaza City.
A ceasefire may be inching closer, but Gaza City was trapped in a pit of despair following overnight Israeli airstrikes, which blasted this massive crater right in the middle of a makeshift camp sheltering displaced Palestinians. Rescue workers dug frantically, retrieving at least 5 tents as they searched for the people who had been living in them. It was mostly the limp bodies of children pulled from the rubble. 12 people died, 10 between the ages of 1 and 11, according to eyewitnesses. In a second strike nearby, there were desperate attempts to revive those who'd been trapped. Many died of suffocation. When morning came, everyone lent a hand trying to save what they could. Here in Gaza, we are buried twice, said Zayed Jabir, first while alive and then when we are dead. His children are still in hospital in a critical condition. At the morgue, families bent over with grief prepared to bury their dead. Among them, tiny bodies wrapped in shrouds. This distraught father had kept his children safe for nearly 2 years of war. Now this. Palestinians who were living here have nowhere else to go after being repeatedly displaced. It's enough, said Naveen Al-Kluli. Please stop the war. Feel our pain. Let the children live.
Gaza's health ministry says more than 60 people died in the strikes, Jerica, and the IDF says they were targeting a senior Hamas leader who was also killed.
Debora Patta, thank you for your reporting.